Number 14, we are given the focus and the directrix, and we're asked to find the equation of this parabola. So what helps me on this one is this is negative 10, and I'm going to write this as negative 5 1/2. And this is the line y equal negative 4 1/2. So when I start to draw this. So if I have a point, negative 10, negative 5 halves, so something like this. So negative 10, negative 5 1/2, we'll put it right here. So that is the point, negative 10, negative 5 1/2. The directrix is at negative 4 1/2. So there's a line right here, which is y equal negative 9 halves and negative 4 1/2. So I know the directrix is higher than the focus. So directrix, focus, halfway in between here will be the vertex. Okay. So that is the focus right here. So the vertex is halfway between. So I know that the vertex is going to be at negative 10, and if this is negative 4 1/2, so this red line is negative 4 1/2. So the distance from negative 4 1/2 to negative 5 1/2, so the distance from the directrix to the focus is 1. Halfway in between there is a distance of 1/2. So I know that the vertex is going to be at negative 10, and so it's going to be at negative 10, 5, because this is 4 1/2, this is 5, this is 5 1/2. So the directrix is negative 4 1/2, the vertex is negative 5, and the focus is negative 5 1/2. So at negative 10, negative 5, that's the vertex. And now I know if this is the vertex, the directrix, I know that this parabola is going to open downward. I've drawn part of it there. It opens downward, which tells me that P is negative. Okay? So just remember that P is negative. So remember the distance. P is the distance from the focus to the vertex, and the distance from the vertex to the directrix. That is P. The whole distance is 1, so P is going to be 1/2, or negative 1/2 in our case. So in our case, P is negative 1/2. So now the standard form of this equation is going to be y minus k is equal to 1 over 4p x minus h squared. So if I do 1 over 4, I know that p is negative 1/2. So this is 1 over negative 2, or negative 1/2. So my final answer is y plus 5 is negative 1/2, x plus 10 squared, or in standard form, just to solve for y is equal to negative 1/2, x plus 10 squared,